150 to 600. This is the generation 1 telephoto zoom lens. I'll go through a couple of things on this lens. As you can see, it's quite a long lens. You know, it's external reach when you zoom in and zoom out, and that's at 600, and that's at 150. There is a little lock you can put, so if you carry it around, this is pretty much locked in, so it's not gonna slide through. Tamron has really stepped up with this lens. At 600, the images this lens can produce is amazing at right conditions. It has an ultra silent drive, so when you're focusing, you know, it doesn't make as much noise. The front element is a 95mm in diameter. This lens has VC, which is vibration control, so very useful for a lens, for any lens, and Tamron is one of the first to bring out VC on lenses. You know, it does help if you're shooting at distance. You know, if you're a guy with a bit of a shaky hands, it can help. And you know, if it's a low light condition, you know, your shutter speed is not as fast, so this could be useful. If you want extra reach on this lens, you can, you know, if you can have it on a DX body or a crop sensor body. I use it on my full frame bodies, but with Nikon, with the full frame, it does give you the option to, you know, switch it to crop sensor. So if you want that extra bit of reach on your subject, you can have it on crop sensor, and that would reach even further. So if this is 600 at crop sensor, you'll be looking at, you know, 750, 800 plus. So yeah, it does have an amazing reach. Lens itself is quite heavy. You're looking at about 1.5 kilos this lens weight. f5 to 6.3 is the minimum aperture or lowest aperture, and on the high end it can go up to f32. This lens was released late 2013. If you have a you know, higher megapixel camera that you could take photos in, and you want to crop the subject, this would reach to amazing distances. Alright, so the build on this is all, it looks like all plastic, but it's very solid. So when you touch the actual lens, it's very solid, and it has a very, you know, nice build to it, and a good grip to the actual lens as well. When you're looking at the price point, this, you will be able to pick one up for about 1,000 Australian dollars, or just slightly under, about 800 to 900 US. Just remember, the generation 2 is out now on this. Image quality wise, there will be a difference, but I wouldn't be upgrading, or you know, I'm not going to be upgrading from this to generation 2, which I wouldn't have, not, there will be no point for me to actually upgrade. But you know, if you in the market for a telephoto lens and you don't want to spend that extra bit of money buying the Generation 2, probably just give this one a go. You know, I wouldn't say there'll be massive differences between the two, but definitely this one, the image quality on this lens is amazing. And just have a look at a couple of you know, images I've taken through this. At 600 millimeter, I have taken the moon, birds, wildlife photos with this, so it's definitely one of my favorite lenses to for the longer reaches. Alright guys, thanks for watching, and I'll bring out you more in-depth reviews of this lens, and hope you like this video. If you do enjoy my videos, just make sure you subscribe and leave any comments. I'm open for any comments, good or bad, being subjective, and I'll try to respond to any questions as well. Alright, thank you.